There are three parts to setting up contracts in Funeral Data Manager. First, on the Getting Started screen, click Select Contract. Funeral Data Manager has 28 general contracts to choose from, which includes 9 designed to work with Federated. Plus, there are several state-specific contract styles such as New York, North Carolina, and Texas. If you do not see a contract that meets your needs, please contact support and our staff will create a custom contract for you at no charge. Clicking on a contract name in the left column shows a thumbnail representation of the contract on the right-hand side. When you find a contract you want to use, click the Set as Default icon on the bottom of the screen. This will assign your selected contract as your default contract used for every case. You can always return to the setup area and change contracts at a later time. Any cases that use a previously selected contract will not be affected. Only new cases will utilize your newly selected default contract. Clicking the eyeball, bottom center, allows you to see a full-sized version of the contract. Here you can assign a purchaser, select a package, and add merchandise. Note, these selections are only a preview of how your values will appear on an actual contract and will not be applied to any cases. Clicking the arrow in the upper left-hand corner returns you to the contract selection screen. Clicking it again returns you to the Getting Started menu. If you have not already set up packages, click on Set up Contract Packages. Click New in the left column to create a new package, or select an existing one from the list shown. For new packages, assign a name. Then click on Edit Prices. You will be presented with a worksheet that matches the line item sections of your default contract. Enter any pricing and information needed. Click the back button in the upper left-hand corner to return to the package screen. You can create as many packages as you need. To remove a package, simply click the X next to the name of the package you want to remove. Please note, if you want to change your default contract, you will want to revisit the package setup screen first and remove all of your existing packages. The reason for this is line items vary per contract, and some values entered for one contract may be invisible on another contract, leading to balances not calculating correctly. Now that you have completed setup, you are ready to use your contract and packages on a case. Click the back arrow to return to the Getting Started menu. Then click the Dashboard button at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner to start a new case. Note that you cannot assign a newly selected default contract to an existing case. If you need to do this, please contact technical support. From the top menu, select Contract. Here you will see an overview of pricing you have entered. It will be blank for a new case. Click on the Contract button. At the top, select the purchaser, package, and merchandise you want to add to this contract. Values will auto-populate the contract. You can edit or remove values as needed. Click the back button to return to the contract overview. Clicking on Worksheet allows you to make additional edits to the contract in an easy-to-view interface. The Worksheet screen is also accessible when using Visual Arranger. When finished, click the back arrow. You can click on any pencil icon to change values for specific line items. When you are satisfied with your adjustments, click the Contract button and then the Print button in the upper right-hand corner. For any further questions, please contact support at any time.